And then, ta-da! There you go. You have a 3D house.
You have a 3D house. It's very beautiful.
Let's see what else
Yay!
we can make. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to build different stuff out of magnetic blocks. First, I'm going to make a house.
Going to build a house?
Yes.
Yes.
First, you do 4 squares.
4 squares.
Then, make a roof.
Roof.
A flat house out of this. But then, I am going to get a square.
Are you gonna make it 3D?
Yes,
Yeah.
3D.
3D, yes. We love 3D shapes.
Okay, get off you little weird block. This one. And this keeps on falling on the side. So, I'm going to finish this line. But then, I'm going to make the top. Of course, why would a square go in the wrong place? Then, the square will hold them up.
Yep.
Now we put this, pull it not that hard, and then, ta-da! There you go. You have a 3D house.
You have a 3D house. It's very beautiful. Yay!
Next time, I'm going to make a mystery block.
Mystery block. Diamond or something?
No, we're missing one more. Then, one more. Then we, dun.
Wow! Wow, I love that!
It's about to be done.
Yeah.
Dun.
What is that?
A centipede.
Centipede.
Wally, creepy crawler. Birdie. This is the tail. This is the head. Oh,
It looks like a bird.
And these are the wings.
Oh!
I made a birdie.
You made a birdie.
And these are the 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 things you can make. Okay. This is gonna be a
Different one?
Yes. This time.
What's in your mind?
I got an idea. It's gonna have the same thing. 4, but it's gonna also be 3D. I'm going to build a roof.
What shapes are the roof?
Triangles.
Triangles.
Triangles. I'm gonna make 4 triangles on top. There you go. A house.
Wow! I love it. I love it. What else can you make?
I already made a house.
What?
I have an idea. So this it's gonna be a little confusing
Why?
because I don't know what I'm. Now I'm going to put this. Ooh, I'm almost done. And then this. And then this. Ooh.
Oh wow, baby! It's a long neck. Oh.
So here are my creations. And thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell.
Yay! See, bye.